Nestled within Portland, Oregon's verdant suburbs, this wooden house embodies the city's reputation as a hub for eco-friendly, space-efficient housing that in contrast to the isolated, grassy plots defining 20th-century suburban dwellings. This innovative home redefines the paradigm. It's a pioneering model for 21st-century living, a harmonious blend of sustainability and human habitation seamlessly integrated into its surroundings. Inspired by Frank Lloyd Wright's iconic Fallingwater house, the L-shaped layout artfully embraces the nearby creek. A remarkable homage, the veranda represents a revolutionary concept, a living space that defies traditional boundaries between indoors and outdoors. Covered with protective eaves, this space ingeniously adapts to Portland's rainy climate, drawing inspiration from the intermediate spaces showcased in the Portland Japanese Garden, 2017, and transforming them into practical living areas. Moreover, the strategic fusion of American yellow cedar and Japanese cedar signifies a cultural fusion, echoing Wright's visionary attempt at a 20th-century cultural exchange between Japan and the United States. It's a testament to the evolution of housing cultures, shaping the 21st-century narrative of architectural collaboration and innovation.